So I was trying to learn some C# and .NET. I was doing the intro, I did the download, I hit this download page and it got me this installer. I've downloaded it multiple times trying to get this working. I tried doing the repair tool. It seemed to have my SDK information installed on my computer and I could repair it or install it, but as soon as I tried looking for it or try using it, I kept getting an error saying that no SDKs were found. I found this open chat about this person. He didn't really explain too much, so I started asking questions. Here's what I had originally gotten. The application U does not exist. And we went through a whole bunch of stuff, just trying to troubleshoot this, trying to get it to work. And eventually I did find the Stack Overflow that goes through it, and it's pretty straightforward on how to fix it. I'll post that link in the description. But on the next page, you create your own app, and I was having this issue. It kept telling me this new is not an application, which it's me trying to make a new app. So what you do is you go to the download page, and it's dotnet.microsoft.com/download. I'll go ahead and make sure to link this as well. You don't want to do any of these. You want to go to the all .NET downloads, and you select the version you want. I went to NET 5.0, and instead of doing this installer, make sure you avoid this installer if you're having this issue. You want to do the binary. I have a quick little notepad showing you how to do this really quickly, in case you just want to run through it. But pretty much you select the version that you have, your computer version. If you don't know that, you can go to system information by hitting the start button and just typing in system information, and it shows me right here system type x64. So from right there I can tell that I need this x64. I've already downloaded it. I've got it on my desktop over here. So you pretty much just open that up, and you want to go to this folder right here. Make sure you include that space in program files in the parenthesis. So we'll go ahead and open up a new file explorer. Alright, and right here we can go to that location on your computer, and pretty much all you do is just delete everything you have in here. Two of these did not want to delete. I think it was the shared and the host, so just skip those. But delete everything else if you have run the installer already. And from the binaries, this is a zipped up folder. You can unpack it first if you want to unzip it, but I just drag it over and copied it over. I've already done it, so I'm not gonna go ahead and wait for that to check. But after that, we should be able to see that the SDKs are installed, and to do that I did .net -- info, and it gives you all the information that you need for what you're looking at for the .NET course. So I'll go ahead and leave this up and try to make this, I guess, post it in the description, just to let you guys have this information. Pretty straightforward.